how to take printer self-test. Why we need to take printer self-test? First, we need to check printer settings. This is the printer settings. Second, to check printer firmware. This is the printer firmware. Third, to check printer head pin properly working or not. This is the 24 pin printer, head printer, so we can check the pins firing or not. Second, to check printer ribbon jam issue and to check paper jam issue. So the self test we can take in cover closed condition and second cover open condition. So today we are testing with the cover open condition. The procedure is same. Switch off the printer, press station 2 and power on the printer. Here on the console, Olivetti self-test is showing. So just open the cover fully and insert one blank page, A4 size paper blank page. So you can check the ribbon having any issue. You can check any jam. Yeah. This is the printer self-test. Here is the printer firmware. Here is the printer head pins status. This is the printer setting. Thank you.